Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Max Complex Numbers and Quadratic Equation Exercise 5.2 third sum. Let's see the question. Convert each of the complex number in the polar form. We need to convert this into a polar form. The polar form will be r cos theta plus ir sin theta. So we need to change to this form. So let us take this the given complex number 1 minus I as z is equal to 1 minus I. Let z equal to 1 minus I, and we need to change to what? Let 1 minus I is equal to, we need to change to the polar form. So r cos theta plus ir sin theta. We need to find in this, we need to find the r, we need to find the theta, and we need to substitute it in the polar form. Now let's find r first. Finding r, we have written that 1 minus I is equal to r cos theta plus ir sin theta. Here this is the real part and this will be your imaginary part. Equate separately the real part and the imaginary part. If I equate, I get r cos theta equal to 1 and ir sin theta equal to minus I gets cancelled. Here it becomes r sin theta equal to minus 1. This is, let this equation be 1, this equation be 2. Now squaring and adding both the equation. LHS square, RHS square, add it separately. Similarly, add LHS and RHS separately. Squaring and adding. Adding 1 and 2. If I square this, it becomes r square cos square theta plus, here it becomes the second equation, r square sin square theta. This becomes 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is also 1. Now taking r square common, we can write this to be cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 2. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So I can write this to be 1. So it becomes r square equal to 2. Now taking square to that side, my r will be root 2. We have found r to be root 2. Now we want to find theta. For finding theta, we need to have tan theta. For having tan theta, sin by cos will be your tan. So always take second equation by first equation. If we take this, we will know the value of tan theta. So now solving this, next one, second equation divided by the first equation. So if we want sin by cos, so always second equation by the first equation. In the second equation we have r sin theta by r cos theta is equal to LHS by LHS. Similarly, minus 1 by plus 1. Here RR get cancelled. This becomes, we need to take modulus. So this becomes tan theta. Tan theta equal to mod of minus 1 by 1 will become 1. We need to take modulus. Now this becomes 1. So we know that tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 can be written as tan pi by 4. So tan theta equal to tan pi by 4. Therefore theta will be equal to pi by 4. So we have found the theta value, and we need to find the quadrant. For the quadrant, seeing the question, it is 1 minus I, that is plus minus. Plus minus means plus and minus comes in the fourth quadrant. So plus minus comes in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant it will be minus theta. Here plus theta, here minus theta. So we can write it here as the real part is positive, because 1 is positive and imaginary part is negative. So it is minus I. So 1 minus I, 1 is positive and it's minus I. It lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, we know that argument z is equal to minus theta. We know the theta value to be pi by 4. So minus pi by 4. So now we found the argument z. So z is equal to 1 minus I, which is what they have given. We need to write it in we need to write it in r cos theta plus IR sin theta. I am taking r common outside. We need to write cos theta plus I sin theta. For that we found r to be root 2. So root 2 cos, now theta value is what? Theta values we need to substitute, not the value we found for the theta, but the argument z we need to substitute. That is, theta value here is minus pi by 4. So minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. Is the required polar form. So we have formed the polar form. First we found the r, then the theta, and also the theta lies in which quadrant. Then argument z only we need to substitute the value in r cos theta plus IR sin theta. This is the final answer for the given sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.